Good morning, little stars. Welcome again to e-learning class on conversation. In last class, we learned babies of animals. Today we will learn sounds of animals. Sounds of animals. Speak with me and learn these sounds of animals. Let's start. Dogs bark. Dogs bark. Cats mew. Cows moo. Cows moo. Lions roar. Ducks quack. Ducks quack. Let's revise. Dogs bark. Cats mew. Cows moo. Lions roar. Ducks quack. Ducks quack. Revise these sounds of animals. Okay, bye bye.